Embrace the green spirit this Raksha Bandhan. Let's tie a bond that goes beyond just threads. Nurture the love and nature with unique twist. Gift your beloved sibling a token of care that grows with time, a complete plant care kit from Soul Urban Farming. For just rupees 1549, you're not just giving a gift, you're giving the gift of life. Show your sibling how much you care by helping them create a green sanctuary right in their own space. With our meticulously curated plant care kit, they will have everything they need to watch their plants flourish and thrive. Let this Raksha Bandhan be a celebration of not just the bond you share, but also the bond we have with our environment. Spread love, happiness, and joy, nurturing life with Soul Urban Farming. Order now and watch your siblings smile bloom as beautifully as the plants they will care for. Happy Raksha Bandhan.